Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this exercise in SolidWorks. And we have here the next drawing. This is it. So let's go ahead and do this. First let's open a new SolidWorks document, select your part. And now let's make this plain white. And here we'll open a sketch in the top plane. And now let's select center rectangle. Let's make a rectangle like this, and now it's smart dimension, let's define this. Here will be 35 millimeters. And here will be 26. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here will be 32. And press here OK. Alright, now let's open a sketch on this face. And here let's start with line. We'll start from here and make something like this. Right now with smart dimension, let's define this part first. Here will be 10. From this line to this edge, here will be 7. And now this line will have 20. Alright, now select line again. Let's make here something like this. Alright, select this line with this one and select here make parallel. And now here should be tangent. Here should also be tangent. Now let's select smart dimension and let's define this. So from this line to this edge, here will be 8. Between these two lines, here will be 2. And now from this center point to this edge, here will be 18.5. Okay. So 18.5. And now the radius for this will be 2 millimeters. From this line to this edge, here will be 12. Alright, and now let's see. Now we'll have to give an angle from this line to this one, and here will be 50 degrees. That's looking good. Now we'll have to make a small triangle up here. So select line. Make something like this, then select this line with this one, select here make collinear. Do the same for this other two. Oh, sorry. These two should be parallel. Okay. And now with smart dimension, let's give some dimensions. First, between these two lines here will be also 2 millimeters. And now, let's see. Let's apply the fillets. We have to apply 3 fillets to these corners. So select sketch fillet. The radius will be 1. And let's select all of this. Press OK. Now we'll have to select this point from this arc with this one and select here make vertical. And let's see. Between this should be 5. So we'll have to see why it's not working. Let's try to delete these 2 millimeters here, and let's give here 5. Okay, that's better. And now this is fully defined. Now I'll have to apply some sketch fillet to these corners also. So select sketch fillet again. This time the radius will be 1.5. And we'll have to select this one with this one and this one. Press here OK. And now everything is good. Go to features and use Extruded Cut. And here we'll keep through all. Press here OK. That's good. Now select this face and let's open a sketch. And here let's select center line. Let's make here a center line like this. And then select line and let's make the next sketch. Okay, and one here. Now select all of them and select here mirror entities command. Now with smart dimension, let's define this. Between these two lines, here will be 60 degrees. And now from this line to this one, here will be 20 millimeters. And now from this line to this edge, here will be 5. And this line will have 1 millimeter like this. Alright, now let's make here the next part. So select line. And let's do something like this. Select this point with this one and select here make vertical. Select this line with this one. Select here make collinear. Do the same for this two, make collinear. And now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension from this line to this one. Here should be 5. And now let's select 3-point arc. Let's make here an arc. And let's make here another one. Okay, select this point from this arc with this one and select here make vertical. Select this arc with this edge. Select here make tangent. And now with smart dimension, let's give a radius for this arc, and here will be 16 millimeters. And now let's select these two arcs and select here make concentric. Now with smart dimension, let's give a dimension between them, and here will be 4 millimeters. And now select line and let's close this part of the sketch. Right, and now everything should be good. Now what we have to do is to apply here a sketch fillet, or we can make it after with fillet, but let's do it now. The radius will be 2 millimeters. And let's select these two corners and press OK. Alright, now let's go to features, use Extruded Cut, and here we'll keep through all and press OK. Now this is looking better. Now the next thing we'll have to do is to select this face and open a sketch. And here let's select with Control press from the keyboard this edge with this one, and these two. And now let's select here Convert Entities command. And now we'll select line and let's make here a line. Make it horizontal. Okay, so horizontal. delete this coincide there because we need to give a dimension to it. So select smart dimension, and from this line to this one, here will be 5. Now with trim and this command, let's cut these extra parts of the line. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here we'll keep blind, reverse the direction, and the thickness, the depth will be 3 millimeters. Just like this. Press OK. And now let's open a new sketch. Okay, let's open a new sketch in the front plane. And let's go to display style and select hidden lines visible. And now select line, and let's make here the next sketch. We'll start like this. And now with smart dimension, let's define this. Let's see, first, here will be 1. Like this will be also 1. And now this one will have 4 millimeters. And from this line to this edge here will be 9. And from this line to this edge here will be 2. Go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here instead of blind we're gonna select mid plane, and here the dimension will be 12. Press OK. Now let's go back to hidden lines visible and select this one, shaded with edges. Alright, now this is looking good, it's almost finished. What we'll have to do next is to apply some fillets. So let's select fillet. Let's make radius 2 millimeters first and select this edge here. And I think this is it with radius 2. Now let's press OK, and let's make the next fillet with radius 1. Radius 1, we'll have to select this edge. Alright, let's select only this for now, and let's press OK. And now let's make another fillet with the same radius 1, and let's select the next edges. Let's press OK, and let's make one more with the same radius 1. And this one is not working right now, so we'll have to make one more. Okay, and now it's better. Right, I think that these are all the fillets. So this was the part for today, this was the tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Don't forget, if you like it, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more.